is for angelfish, 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 angelfish. B is for blue whale, blue whale, blue whale, blue whale. C is for clownfish, 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 clownfish. D is for dolphin, 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 dolphin. E is for eel, 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 eel. F is for flying fish, flying fish, flying fish, flying flying fish. G is for giant squid, giant squid, giant squid, giant squid. H is for hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. I is for icefish, 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 icefish. J is for jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. K is for krill, 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 krill. L is for lobster, 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 lobster. M is for manatee, 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 manatee. N is for narwhal, 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 narwhal. O is for octopus, 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 octopus. P is for pufferfish, 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 pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish, queen angelfish, queen angelfish. R is for ray, 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 ray. S is for seahorse, 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 seahorse. T is for tuna, 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 tuna. U is for urchin, 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 urchin. V is for vampire squid, vampire squid, vampire squid, vampire squid. W is for walrus, 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 walrus. X is for xenocanth, 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 xenocanth. Y is for yellow tang, yellow tang, yellow tang, yellow tang, yellow tang. C is for zebra shark, zebra shark, zebra shark, zebra shark.